Claude can now integrate directly with Microsoft Word for writing, editing, and document formatting. This removes the need to switch between applications, helping you work faster. First, open Microsoft Word. In the top menu bar, click the Home tab. Then click Add-ins. Search for Claude by Anthropic for Word. Click Add. Once installed, the Claude sidebar opens automatically. Sign in with your Claude Pro account. In the prompt box, type your request. For example, write a formal executive summary. Claude generates the content directly inside Word. This helps draft documents in seconds. But here's the real time saver. You can also edit existing text. Highlight any paragraph in your document. Then ask Claude to rewrite or simplify the selected section. Claude edits the highlighted text, keeping the rest of the document untouched. This makes document editing much faster. Claude can also format the document automatically. It can add headings, bullet points, tables, and even equations within the document. This is useful for reports, notes, research documents, and technical writing. For workflows involving research or source material, Claude also supports PDFs, images, and reference files directly inside Word. Click the plus icon inside the Claude panel. Upload supporting files, then ask Claude to extract or summarize the information. Once your document is ready, review the output carefully before sharing it. AI-generated content can still contain mistakes, and complex formatting may occasionally need adjustments. So always double-check before sharing the document. If you already use Claude in your browser for research or drafting, there's another useful workflow. You can export entire Claude conversations directly into Word or PDF in one click, with formatting preserved. Check the full video link in the description. That's it. You can now use Claude directly inside Word to write, rewrite, summarize, and format documents faster. Like this video and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials.